Fusion 360 has 7 different types of joints which you can use to control the position and motion of components in your design. In this video, we'll look at 4 different types of joints: revolute, cylindrical, pin slot, and ball joints. The joint command can be found in the model or patch workspace under Assemble, Joint. We're going to start out by looking at the revolute joint. First, we'll select the point on the component we wish to move, and next we'll pick a point on the component we wish to remain still. A revolute joint allows the first component to revolve around a single axis. I'll choose OK to complete the command. Next up, let's take a look at a cylindrical joint. I'll right-click, choose Repeat Joint to run the joint command. From the drop-down, choose Cylindrical. We'll pick a point on the first item we wish to move, and we'll pick a point on the second item, the one we wish to remain fixed. A cylindrical joint allows the first component to move and rotate along a single axis. I'll choose OK to complete this command. Our next condition is pin slot. I'll right-click, choose Repeat Joint, and choose Pin Slot. Choose a point on my first component I wish to move, and choose a point on my second component. The pin slot joint allows the first component to rotate around its axis and move along a different axis. I'll choose OK to complete that command. Our final joint condition is the ball joint. I'll right-click, choose Repeat Joint. In the joint dialog, I'll pick Ball, and I'll pick the point on the first component we wish to rotate around, and I'll pick a point on the second component. And you can see that the ball joint allows the component to rotate around 3 axes. I'll choose OK to complete this command. Finally, I'll point out that all of these joints have been added to the browser in the Joints folder, and we can right-click and choose Edit Joint to edit these at any time. That concludes this video on Fusion 360's revolute, cylindrical, pin slot, and ball joints.